Good morning, traders, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So Friday we ended up with a pretty solid bullish bar, pretty much off a moving average, also off a fairly strong level. If you look to the left, you can see a lot of support found at this area. And we scroll even further back to the left and you'll see fairly notable the amount of support that is found there. So that level is pretty much 25514. Now, a quick message for all the trolls. As far as I'm concerned, this price is up. You give this chart to any little kindergarten kid, they will tell you it's moving up. This little range here is a range. And if anybody understands the way I trade, I do not like trading ranges, and I trade with a trend. Trend is up, therefore I look for buying. This is the buy the dips market as far as I'm concerned. If you disagree, you're welcome to disagree. You're welcome to take the shorts as well, but don't come and tell me when you're losing money. Okay, so this is the way I trade it, and simple as that. If we get back to the 3 hour, that's just a quick rant. You can see a very clear confusion pattern from last week. The whole of last week pretty much was sideways. Okay, big ups, big downs, big ups, big downs, big confusions. Patterns that did actually play out though. So there's a double bottom. Actually, I don't think that's played out yet. No, it still hasn't played out. So we might as well just put a level right there at the top of the range. Okay, and that's what we're looking to transpire. Okay, we do have a fairly strong double bottom here off a level. Okay, earnings season really kicks off this week. Last week was pretty much, there wasn't much on offer for earnings season, but that is kicking off this week. And I would anticipate that we are going to get through some of these levels. So the S&P is already through some pretty critical levels, and the Dow is lagging a little bit behind. So let's just get this. Okay, so Friday's move off a level, very strong, straight up, bit of a wedge forming here. And it's a very interesting wedge because there's a bottom and there's a top. So I suppose we could actually argue it's a channel rather than a wedge. But when that kind of stuff happens, it does get me a little bit wary. Not looking to chase alongs at this level, looking to come back onto support. First area of support would be 26,146, but we do have this gap here. Okay, so that would be an area that I'd be interested in. And then we start looking for inside tails, and these are the inside tails I'd be looking for. So the next level would be 25,962. Okay, we are getting to the top of the range, so normal circumstances you'd be looking to scalp this to downside. But for me, trend is up, not interested in that. I'll wait for an opportunity to buy. And those opportunities are going to come in one of three areas. Okay, at the lowest area, it's going to be around here at 25,817. Then we're going to be looking at 25,962, and then possibly even just, let's move this down a bit here, 26,112. Okay, so that is pretty much what I'm looking for. We have see there's our fairly strong channel. Put that in there. There's my wedge there. Okay, so it's a pretty long wedge. So I would anticipate that we're going to move off this area of prices, probably come close a gap at least, and then we'll see what transpires after that. There is a lot of support to the left here, but this move is fairly strong. Even though it was messy, it did get going and it moved quite substantially. So off this level, that was a 600-point move to the upside, good 2%. And I think, as far as I'm concerned, that is continuing. And if we just get rid of the noise, come to the weekly on this, and you'll see we have a weekly level which we didn't quite get through, although we're above it at the moment. So this weekly level here, which is 26,115. Let's just round that off to 26,100. So looking at the left, you can see all the resistance off this area, bit of support off this area as well. Not so clear there, but there definitely. So it's kind of a line in the sand as far as I'm concerned. And if we come back to the daily, you can see we've had that trend line break and pretty much retest. We've had a tails come down to this trend line. Wasn't just a trend line, it was a triangle in an uptrend. This is a current uptrend, consolidation, breakout, retest, and I would expect us now to continue. Okay, so ultimately during earnings season, this is what I'm expecting. Oh, come on, move that to there, and I'll just take that. There's a gap right here, and then you have your previous highs. Okay, so that's pretty much what I'm anticipating moving forward. I'm looking for more opportunities to buy, and we'll be holding them through for a good almost 3,000 point trade. Okay, so anyway, guys, that's what I'm looking at the moment. That's what I see. And again, message to the trolls: if you don't like it, you're welcome to your own opinion, but rather not drop snotty comments because I'll just delete you anyway. Anyway, hope it helps, and we will catch up with you later. Cheers for now.